Now we continue with exercise 6.4. Question number 4. Find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. Find the least number which must be subtracted from the given numbers. So which number should be subtracted? So that when we subtract the number from the given number, you will get a perfect square number, and find out the square root of the perfect square number. Now here the number is 402. So try to find out the square root of 402 by division method. Okay. Here we will apply the division method to find out the square root of 402. So we have to place bars over every pair of digits, starting from the digit at ones place, then over. Now consider the number under the extreme left bar, that is 4. Now think of the number. So here we can take 2. So the quotient also we can take it as 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 0. Bring the next pair down. 2. Then double the divisor. 4. Now enter it with a blank on its right. Now here we got 2. So which digit will come here? It will be 0. Then a 40, and here we have to, in the quotient also we have to put the second digit as a 0. So 40 into 0, you will get a 0. Now 2 minus 0. So the remainder is 2. Now look here. Here the remainder is 2. Remainder is equal to 2. So the meaning is that 20 square is less than 402. 20 square is less than 402 because we got the remainder. Then if you subtract the remainder from the given number, you will get a perfect square number. That means the given number is 402, and if you subtract the remainder from the given number, 402 minus 2, you will get 400. This 400 is a perfect square number. Therefore, the least number to be subtracted, the least number to be subtracted is equal to 2. And you will get the new perfect square number. Therefore, the new perfect square number is new perfect square is equal to 400. And the square root of 400 equal to 20. The square root of 400 is equal to 20. Now next one, 1989. 1989. Try to find out the square root using division method. Then starting from the digit at ones place, you have to place bars over every pair of digits. Then 991. Then think of the largest number whose square is less than or equal to 90. Now we can see that if you take a 4, you will get a 4 square 16. If you take a 5, 5 square 25. So we can take 4. Write 4 in the quotient also. 4 into 4, 16. Then 3 remainder. Bring the next pair down. 89. So 389 is the dividend. Now find out the double of 4. Double of 4 is 8. And you have to put a blank on its right of 8. Then find out the digit. Now here, if you take 3, suppose randomly we have to take the digit 3, then 83 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 249. Then if you take 4, 84 into 4. 4 4s are 16, carry over 1, 8 4s are 32 plus 1, 33, 336. So you have to find out the digit, so you have to fill in the blank, and as well as you have to write down the digit in the quotient also. And when you take the product, you have to get the number that should be less than or equal to the dividend you considered. Therefore 84 into 4, 336. Now we will try with the digit 5 also. 85 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 is the carry over. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 2, 425. So 249 is smaller than 389, but 336 is also smaller than 389, and 425 is more than 389. So which digit we have to take? So we have to take 4. Therefore write 4 here and in the quotient also, which is equal to 336. Then here we got the remainder. So the remainder equal to 53. Remainder is equal to 53. So the meaning is that the 44 square is less than 1989. 44 square is less than 1989 because we got the remainder. And when you subtract the remainder from the given number, that is 1989 minus 53, subtract the remainder from the given number, you will get the perfect square number. So 1989 minus 53. So you will get 1936. So 1936 is a perfect square number. Therefore the least number to be subtracted, the least number to be subtracted is equal to 53, and you will get the new square number. The new square number is 1936, and the square root of 1936 equal to 44. The square root of 1936 equal to 44. Now next number, 3250. 3250. Now try to find out the square root of this number by division method. Then 5 5s are 25. Remainder 7. Bring the next pair down, 750. Double of 5, 10. You have to put a blank on its right. Now we have to try. Then 100. If you take 6 into 6, 6 6 are 36. 636. Now we look into 7. If you take the digit as 7, 107 into 7, 749. So we can take the digit as 7. Then 7 into 7, 107 into 7 equal to 749. So the remainder is 1. So here we can say that the remainder is equal to 1. Therefore 57 square is less than 3250. So if you subtract the remainder from the given number, you will get a perfect square number. So subtract the remainder from the given number. Therefore the least number to be subtracted, the least number to be subtracted is equal to 1. Therefore, 3250 minus 1 equal to 3249. So, this is the new square number. And square root of 3249 is equal to 57. Now homework, exercise 6.4, question number 4, 4 and 5. That's all for today's class. Thank you.